SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love the 2013 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.